Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. My name is Bradley, also known as the Swim Coach. Today, on day number one, we're going to open up the Topps 25 Series 2 Major League Baseball cards. It is the second series, so let's have a little go, see what we get. We're going to open up one pack per day, okay, for the rest of this month. And let's see what we actually get. Now, there are in this lot, there are 20. Let's see what we get on our first one. So, Matt O'Line. I'm not great with names, so have a little look. Hopefully, we can get any autos or any number cards. They will be very appreciated for any of the top named players. Nice, lovely action card there. Picture. Oh, we have a backwards card. We have so John Bride. Very nice card. On top there for the moment. We have a stars one, and what do we have here? We have a rookies card. Loudra. I do butcher these names. I do apologize. Put that there. Then we have some base cards. And then we have the National League of San Francisco team card. So that we ended up with. So, day one. Those are our two pulls. Day number one. Thank you much for watching.